I don't know how much I had mentioned. I'll just go over the question again. हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? Okay. So this says, so you have been given a circle in which you want to find out the area of the my voice is lagging, obviously. Yeah, because it's mobile hotspot, this is going to happen till the Wi-Fi is on again, hopefully. I don't know. This is what we want to do. We want to first of all find out the area of the minus sector, which looks like a pizza slice here. The one I have shaded in orange. And in order to find out the area of the segment, I would like to subtract the area of the triangle given here from the area of the sector. So the area of the sector is shaded in orange. If I take away the area of the triangle, I will be left with this area, which is the area of the segment I want to find out. Now I'm going to do this in parts. First of all, let's find out the area of the sector here. And the area of the sector is given by theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So this is the first value I'm going to find out. And then I will find out the area of the triangle and I'll subtract the two. Use the values given to you. Theta here is the central angle, which is 90 degrees. And simplify. You can keep the answer in fractions as such. There is no need to convert it into decimals because later on the value will be used in this expression for subtraction. So this is the area which I have shaded in orange. And now I'm going to find out the area of triangle OAB. The area of triangle OAB, now if you can recall, there was a note that we had written yesterday. To find out the area of triangle, there are two ways you can do this in a shortcut way. If the central angle is 90 degrees, the triangle here becomes a right triangle. So you have a right triangle and the area can be calculated using the formula half base into height. And that's what we are going to use here. The base and the height of the triangle here are the radii. And if you can remember, I had changed this to obtain the area as half radius square. So this is what I'm going to use here. The area of the triangle AOB from the note we had written yesterday will be given by half times radius squared. So from here, the answer will come out to be 50 centimeters square. And now you can use the two values in your formula to find out the area of the segment in order to find out the answer for the first part. Simplify your answer. Take the LCM. And the answer comes out to be 200 by 7 centimeters square. I'm leaving the answer again in fractional form. I'm not going to simplify this. Anyone with any questions here?
No, ma'am.
All right, let's take a look
No,
at
ma'am.
this. Let's take a look at the second part of the question. We have to find out the area. Okay, I have missed this. I had to use pi as 3.14. Let's work out the answer again quickly. So I would like to change this answer over here. It doesn't affect the answer for the area of triangle, although it affects the answer for area of sector. Let's change the answer. This will actually make your work easier because using fractional values with multiple of 10 is going to simplify your work. So you have 90 degrees by 360 multiplied by 3.14 into 10 squared. This is 1 by 4 times 314. And this will be 157 by 2. And now you can convert it because division by 2 will give you a decimal number. Please check here the calculation side by side. Don't rely on what I'm doing here. The answer comes out to be 78.5 centimeters square. Use this value instead of 550 by 7 and you will get the answer as 28.5 centimeters square. The second part of the question requires calculation of area of major sector. Okay, Tarannum, give me a minute. Let me see if my Wi-Fi has started working again. I like to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Just a minute. Okay, it's still not working. The Wi-Fi is still not working. So you'll have to manage today. I will be posting the recording later on.
Your voice is not audible.
Let me know if you can hear me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So area of major sector will be given by area of circle minus area of minus segment, minus sector, sorry. You can find out the area of circle beforehand. You calculate area of major sector or you can do it right here. So this will be pi r square minus the area of minus sector is already there with us. It's 78.5. You can just solve the area of the circle right now. So 3.14 multiplied by 10 squared minus 78.5. This will be 314 minus 78.5. And after this, you get your answer as 235.5 centimeters square. Question number 5th. Circle of radius 21 centimeters. There's an arc which tends the angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector, then the area of the segment. So there are three things, all of them asking the same question. Draw the figure for this. Circle with center O. There is an arc. Let's name the arc as AB. The arc subtends an angle 60 degrees at the center. So join the endpoints of the arc with the center. The angle formed is 60 degrees. The radius is 21 centimeters. You have to find out the length of the arc. So I'm going to mark a point P here. The first thing I want to do is I want to find out the length of arc. The formula for finding the length of the arc is given by pi by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Now use the values and simplify. Once again, please check the value for pi in case it's 3.14. So in fifth question, it's not indicated. I'll be using it as 22 by 7. Simplify and obtain your answer. The answer will be in centimeters. And then second part, you have to find out area of the sector formed by the arc. So area of the sector formed will be this area, the pizza slice you can see, OAPB. This will be given by 3 theta over 360 degrees into pi r square. And then the third part is to find out the area of the corresponding segment. Area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. So when they say corresponding chord, if you join the endpoints of the arc itself with each other, you get a chord. This is the chord of the circle. Now you want to find out the area of this segment. And this will be given by subtracting the area of the triangle from the area of the sector. Length of the arc is 22 centimeters. Please check.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the area of the sector? Okay, take your time. I think you are solving this. So area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord will be given by area of sector. हमने already find किया हुआ है area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. This is what we need to find out. Again, to find out the area of triangle, see if you can apply that shortcut. Since the central angle is 60 degrees, the triangle formed here is equilateral triangle and its area will be given by root 3 by 4 r square. This is what I'll be using to find out the area of the triangle here. Area of the sector, it comes out to be 231, answer of second part, minus area of the triangle, I'm going to use root 3 by 4, radius squared. So you will need to first of all solve this and then obtain the answer for the area of the segment. And I think in the book, they have given the answer as such. In terms of root 3, they have not substituted the value of root 3. Yes, they have given the answer as such in root 3. The answer comes out to be 231 minus 441 times root 3 by 4. And this whole is the answer for the area of the segment. Next question. Question number 6. Area For the minor and major segments, when the radius is 15 centimeters and the central angle is 60 degrees. So you have the value for theta, you have the value for r, you have to find out the area of the minor and the major segments. Now the value of pi is given as 3.14 and you've also been given the value of root 3. तो अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे रूट 3 बनेगा, आपको उसकी वैल्यू 1.73 यूज करनी है, and then you have to simplify your answer. Now I'm going to just help you write down the formula for this and you will be calculating the answer on your own. This is question number 6. The radius is 15 centimeters and theta is 60 degrees. You can write down the formula first of all. Area of minor segment will be given by area of the sector minus area of triangle OAB. So I'm going to first of all find area of sector, then area of the triangle and subtract the two. This will be given by theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Triangle is equilateral. So the area will be given by root 3 by 4 r square. And remember, pi is 3.14 and root 3 is 1.73. And then you have to find out area of major segment. Area of major segment will be given by area of the whole circle minus area of the minor segment. The answer that you will obtain in first part. I hope you will be able to do this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is only calculation. Now, once it's clear कौन सा formula use करना है, उसके बाद सिर्फ calculation है. And I can hope you to do the calculations at least on your own. Question number 7 is a problem with central angle as 120 degrees. So that one is deleted. Question number 8, important question. Question number 8. This can be asked in various ways now. Question number 8, if you have taken a look at the sample question paper, usme bhi isse related, there is a problem. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field. So there is this grass field which is square in shape. This is the peg, the wooden thing or the stake thing that's used to tie the rope. That's attached to one corner and there is a rope to which a horse is tied. The side of the square is 15 meters. And the rope's length is 5 meters. So this rope here is 5 meters in length. जो question आपको sample question paper में दिया गया है, they are asking if a horse is tied with a rope of this length, what's the perimeter of the area that the horse can move in? तो अगर rope की length 5 meters है, the horse can actually move around this in a circle. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, the portion that's included in this field of that circle is this portion. The one you can see, हमें इस portion पे focus करना है. What's the area of the part of the field which the horse can graze? Although the horse can move around this stake in a circular way, circular path में वो move कर सकता है, horse के पास एक circular area available होगा, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ इस field के अंदर check करना है कि how much area is available to the horse for grazing. So what do you think about this? Since it's a square, the angle formed here will be 90 degrees and the area that the horse can graze forms a quadrant. This forms a sector of the circle. As you can see, this is the radius, and this is an arc. The area bound by two radii and an arc is the sector of the circle, but this sector has central angle 90 degrees. That's why it will be a quadrant, and the area of a quadrant is given by 1/4 the area of circle. Is this clear? Can anyone tell me what will be the
Yes, ma'am.
radius of this quadrant? जो rope है,
5.
yes, जो
5
rope है
meter.
वो radius बनेगी, yes. The length of the rope will act as the radius of this circle. Is this clear? Anyone who would like to ask anything for this part?
No, ma'am.
So this is the corner to which the horse is tied. This is the peg, and the length of the rope, this is 5 meters. So this is the area which the horse can graze. I
Ma'am,
think
pi
in
की value
question number, yes,
3.14.
it's given as 3.14. Yes, it's given as 3.14. Although it's indicated with second part, we'll be using the same here. It will just help us work out your answer. So this will be, does that help? 314 1 by 4 over 100 into 25. So doesn't help in any way. You can cancel, you will get the answer as a fraction. Simplify and obtain the answer. The answer will be in meter squares this time. And then the second part says, let's take a look at the second part because you are only left with the calculation in the first part. Second part, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meters long instead of 5 meters. तो अगर rope की length increase कर दी जाए तो area भी increase हो जाएगा. सिर्फ radius of the rope, the radius of the circle will change. The rest of the work is same. आप second case में area of quadrant फिर से निकालोगे, and then you will find out what's the difference in the two areas as such. So you have, if length of rope is 10 meters, then area of the quadrant will be given by 1/4 pi r square. This will be 1 by 4 times 3.14 into 10 squared. This will be 314 by 4, which is 157 by 2 meters square. And after this, you need to find out what's the difference in the areas or the increase in the area. Increase in grazing area will be equal to area you have obtained here in the second part with the longer rope minus the area you obtain in first part, and I think it comes out to be 19.625. Simplify your answer, and this comes out to be 58.875 meters square. And what I think right now, everyone is using calculator to solve their answers quickly. Fatafat se. Anyone with any questions? Okay, now just tell me one thing. If there were no square here,
Your voice is not audible.
Ma'am was going to say that we were using calculator.
I know.